In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Slides into Google Docs. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or preparing a report, knowing how to seamlessly integrate your presentation slides into a document can be incredibly useful. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your Google account. Open your Google Chrome browser and head over to the Sign In page. You'll want to click on the Sign In button. From here, choose the Google account you plan to use. Once you've selected your account, type in your password and then click Next. Now that you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a small icon that resembles a grid made up of dots. Click on this icon to access Google Apps. Scroll down through the options until you find Google Slides and give it a click. This will take you to your Slides dashboard where you'll find all your saved presentations. Once you're in Google Slides, pick the presentation that contains the slide you want to insert into your Google Doc and open it. As you look at the left-hand panel, you'll see the sequence of slides within your presentation. Find the specific slide you wish to add to your document and click on it once to select it. With the slide selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Next, it's time to switch over to Google Docs. If you haven't already, open the document where you want your slide to appear. Browse through your document and position your cursor exactly where you'd like to place the slide. With the cursor in place, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the slide. You'll notice a small pop-up box appearing with some options. The first option is to link the slide to the original presentation. This is recommended if you want the slide to update automatically whenever changes are made in Google Slides. The second option is to paste unlinked, which means the slide will be inserted as a static image and won't update with any future changes. For this demonstration, we recommend choosing the first option, Link to Presentation. After you've inserted the slide, let's say you go back to your Google Slides presentation and make some changes to the original slide. When you return to your Google Doc, you may notice an update button in the top right corner of the embedded slide image. Clicking this button will quickly sync the latest version of the slide with your document, ensuring that your content remains current. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert Google Slides into Google Docs while keeping them linked for real-time updates. Happy creating!